What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be reacting to Jigsaw versus Springtrap, rap battle by Freshy Kanal. Let's get straight into it.
There's an opening in maintenance. Are you here to replace him? I'm sure you'll be a great fit in taking on the grave shift.
Because I'm pretty sure it's referencing how many people die in Jigsaw, or it's referencing something else.
Appear like clockwork, another missing victim slain. I am not your
Another missing victim slain because he kills people.
doctor. I will actually pick your brain.
Oh. I am not your doctor. I'll actually pick your brain. I'm pretty sure it's referencing in... I'm pretty sure it's referencing in Jigsaw, in Saw X, how the doctors faked the repairing their brain.
You try to puzzle police, but it doesn't take a detective. You spot what you call your calling. In life is purely deceptive. You preach the murderous putrid while brutalizing the innocent. You win the
While brutalizing the innocent, because I'm pretty, like, most of his people are innocent.
Are you stupid to figure out who the killer is?
Hey!
Unmatchable. If you act out of order, I fill you with static bolts. I've been the one building back in my basement that take the imagine and make it the actual. Your game never had a goal. You were chased by the cops. Now you turn them to murderers. Seems like your formula won't ever change. You had while the pigs do the dirty work. You're
Cause he literally just hides, and Amanda, the Dr. Gordon, I believe, Mark Hoffman, all had the piggybacks and did all his dirty work.
the one who's wasted your second chance to live, Kramer. Next time you're driven to the edge, ditch the cliffhanger.
Next time you would drive to the edge, ditch the cliffhanger. Yikes. Self-explanatory.
Rallium, you spend your life finding children to kidnap. Now a costume consumes you. Think of it as a spring trap.
Hey, think of it as Springtrap. That's his name. Nice.
Prove your guilt, but here's a trial you can walk from. You have 30 seconds before you're finally locked up. You had a partner, Doug's idea said it was yours. Most of the suits coming from you end up in court. Built every home on top of the bones of what the business is. I think we both already know who the mimic is.
I think we both know who the mimic is. I've seen the mimic from the DLC for Security Breach. Yo, it even shows the trap.
Built every home on top of the bones of what the business is. I think we both already know who the mimic is.
Yo, it's the background is referencing the one trap or the pendulum. That's sweet.
Life to the misguided through mean thinking brings stomach. But if never trapped a subject, just make us fear is the puppet.
I've never trapped a victim whose biggest fear is the puppet, because he uses puppets. Really mapped in his rival is the puppet. He's scared.
Control addiction is honestly not a shock to me. You're haunted by the thought that your victims retain autonomy.
Because he keeps getting defeated by his victims returning. Oh my god. First your son got crushed by your design quirks. Then the bite of 87 drew the parents' fire. Yo. While baby scooped your daughter, now she rots inside. Yo. You call them pizzerias, but they're still family diner. Yo. Because basically every single person is recapping the story of FNAF. You just call them, but they're still family diners, because I'm referencing how literally all his family is in the animatronic now. Oh my god.
You forgot one thing, Kramer.
Let me guess, I always come back.
So you wanna look at me and give me lessons on finding the key to live? That's your life like it's a wheel to spin. That came from me and I can go this. So many stitches
Yo, this flow's fire.
You forgot one thing, Kramer. I always come. So you want to look at me again?
So you want to look at me again?
Listen,
Me lessons on finding the key to win.
finding the
Cause he's still alive.
deal there.
You bet your life it's a. You bet your life like it's a wheel to spin. Dave came for me and I vetoed it. So many switches in this feeble twitch. He's a Jigsaw when doctors are treating him. The only thing that's in the needle pick. Your body was. Yo. This flow is actually insane. The only thing in the needle pick is when your body was the anesthesia hit. Hold up, I gotta look it up. Oh my god. Oh. Anesthesia is when somebody loses consciousness and yo. St. Hill is falling into the trap. Yo. Your cancer kept on spreading until it crushed your future. With all those flashy edits, could they not cut your yo? No. At least when your kid died, you witnessed something grow. No. Oh my god.
I figured you'd resort to killing. My death is said to shut off all power within the building. Your persistence would stop you from being pulled into hell. You've only made your body move because you're full of yourself. Lost a piece of your humanity with each child you chopped up. You've
Oh my god. Explain, FNAF.
been a walking zombie long before those locks shut, so ask yourself, was it really worth it to maintain a soul with nothing left that's worth preserving? Let's not keep the devil waiting right now. You're feeling hopeless.
Let's not keep the devil waiting because it's FNAF 6. Let's not keep the devil waiting.
Communication like the family you've broken.
Oh my god. I'll end communication like the family you broke because literally all of his family members died.
Attention to the world around you. You never noticed you're trapped inside a box that nobody can open.
You were trapped inside a box and nobody could open. You haven't seen the box. Bro, this Eddie's insane, bro. What? Bro, the editing. I honestly can't tell who won. I guess I'm no wait, nah, Jigsaw won. Bro, what? This editing, bro. Don't leave me nice. What? Bro, what? Jigsaw won, bro. Bye-bye.